Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video here today where we're going to spend some time on the engine bay of the STI. As you can see here, I've installed a grille for the intercooler to protect it and also to give it a better look. I did that a while back, I just haven't put the video online, so I'm going to be taking you back in time and showing you the install for that. And I'm also going to be doing a bit of a cosmetic modification. You know, sometimes I know we all like to make changes to our cars, and what better way than to dress up the engine a little bit with an easy install like this. And for that, I've ordered the pulley cover from Grimmspeed. I really like the red accents on the engine bay, so I wanted to just add a little bit more of that, and this cover is pretty much what I had in mind, and I have it here. So now we're going to be installing that as well. So it should be an easy install, but first let's go and take a look at how the InterTek grill gets installed. I ordered this online from Speed. It took forever to get to me. It was in back order for about a month. You can see there's already some damage here, and that's what I'm trying to avoid. Alright, so now that we have that out of the way, let's get to this pulley cover install. And the first thing we're going to do is remove these 10mm bolts that are holding the plastic cover here. We also have one, I believe, here. Actually, there is no bolt on this side, it just snaps right off, and there's a little grommet here where we're going to be putting the Grimmspeed hardware. We're not going to be using this, so I'll just put this aside. We're also going to be removing this rubber grommet here because we're not going to be using it. We're going to replace it with the hardware here, some of these washers. And there's that. So first we're going to add this large washer here, and we're going to be using this bolt, another washer, and the spacer provided. Actually, it's the small one, and this is going to go in from the top like so with the spacer, and then we're going to add another washer at the bottom here and lock it with the nut here provided as well. Let's see how that goes. Alright, so here's a shot at the engine bay with both pieces installed. Mission accomplished. I am very happy with how this came out. Really like the protection on the intercooler with the STI logo from the InterTek grill. Highly recommended. And I love the additional red accents of the Grimmspeed pulley cover. Alright, so that will do it for this video. As usual, thanks for watching, and please leave your comments below and consider subscribing to keep me motivated to make more videos. I will see you all on the next one.